Today, I feel like having an espresso in the Pampered Chef 3-in-1 coffee maker. We do have a Nespresso pod holder. It goes in this way. Push it down. Put that in. With the Nespresso setting, you can pick 2 or 4. We are going to do 4. Raise your base. Alright, so I'm going to lower it. Whoa. Coffee fail. That's not what you do. Don't push a button until you're ready. That's okay. You thought I was going to cut that out, didn't you? Nope. I wanted to show you just how good our drip catcher was. See? It caught all that mess anyway. That's all I wanted anyway. We are going to make a high foam in our milk frother. I'm using our gourmet cherry and almond flavored syrup. I like to use heavy whipping cream, less sugar. Cheers. Make it a great day.